Welcome to another vlog from Husu. We're here today at Sheldon's farm. We are getting some new animals today. However, we have arrived and we haven't seen any so far. So we're currently trying to locate them. Sheldon is walking right now, coming. Looks like he can't find them, but stay tuned. You'll see what's happening.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed.
Can't find them. You know, something that's going to come on 5 and game, you know that. Fuck, I know that come on 5 and, you know.
Look at Margaret and come on.
Oh, you can't get no with Sheldon.
Right?
What?
That now move.
And I'm going to cross that thing. Come on. So go here.
I can't understand why you're so afraid of these. Which one am I, Daniel? That one, yeah?
Guys, Sheldon is checking if the second girl is actually pregnant. To be honest, I am not a specialist. I don't know when they're pregnant. Alright, other than this obvious one right here. But she's a little bit rowdy, so we can't really get her still like this one to actually examine her to see what's happening. But we know that she was ready to mate because she hasn't been secreting any liquids since she has been with the bull. So that means that that's the first sign to know that if she's pregnant or not. So this one was freshly bought about 4 or 5, probably 6 months ago. So she's not used to us as yet. Come in. Grab her, I'm touch her, I'm gonna touch her. Touch her, you know, I don't know how to.
So next time.
No. So guys, this is what we're doing. We are getting the second container for the second pasture.
Yeah, come back.
It's not completed as yet. So just a few more weeks, and after the weeks have passed, we're gonna get it up and running. She jump in. Oh, I should stay, man. She stay, Sheldon.
They not look good.
They don't look good. Fuck, they don't go. I think they want a while.
So I'm gonna come over.
That time saying I get fat. Look on him now. That no one but John or home never won. Going like a fork within the wind.
You want them with that attack here?
No. Cows are like this. If they don't know you, you can't go near them. It's just that simple. And they're very fast and very strong. So if I try to catch a moving cow, trust me, wall of the rope, I gotta still go the wall. It happened to me before. There was a time when me and Sheldon I tried to catch I don't remember, I think it was the other slim one right here, so. And my job was to hold the rope around the tree. And by the time Sheldon said, rope, I'm a gustle, and the cow yanked me, hold on so strong, the rope run through my hand and slice up my hand. My hands were literally like this for about a week. It hot and cold because my skin rip up, you get me? So if you see them run, make them run. Try to catch them out of the way. You know, just take your time, carry them near a tree, just step on the rope, and you wrap him around the tree. Easiest way that. You have to wrap him around the tree. So he can't pull out the tree root. Well, they can, you know, but you know, it takes maximum effort to do that. But if you're going to try to catch him running, no sense. No sense at all. Sheep and they eat everything.
Yeah?
That's all. 3 sheep eat everything.
Everything.
Just fence around them in the part of more and fishing in no time. Empty.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know, him say he watch a lot of YouTubers that do farming, and I think he spoke to Khalil. Somebody named Khalil.
Yeah.
And he said Khalil recommend sheep eat everything. Salt they probably been no time. Yeah, I was thinking about that. I don't know where it is. Yeah.
Donkey. Black leg.
What's black leg?
Go like on fine spot.
So donkey, how donkey kill black leg?
Come, I know them there. Let's come and start trampling them and beat his spot.
Oh. I've never heard that one before.
That's how it's called, man.
Oh.
Gully water.
So why you like your cow?
No, him.
Eh? What you know?
Watch where I'm fast. Is that a bull? Is that a bull? And a pin? The mother.
Then guys,
Faster, man.
put up now.
Alright, so what we're trying to do is we're not trying to scare the animals. We're actually trying to catch one of them to have a closer inspection of what's happening with him. We put him out to bull about 2 months now, and we're trying to actually confirm if he's actually having a young cow or if he's not, because he has been putting on weight and his nipples are coming down, so we're gonna actually try to confirm today. Also, the rope is a bit tight around his neck. You know, the rope is a bit tight around his neck, so we're also trying to slacken it, you know, because he's growing bigger and bigger and we don't want him to choke. You know, the next thing, sorry, persons always ask me, if you have a pasture that is fully fenced around, why do you have ropes on the necks? Now, let me just explain to you. It's a very big land, right? And as you can see, the cows are very fast, up and down the hill. So when you have a rope around the neck, if you can realize there are a lot of trees, I specifically left a lot of trees in the pasture for 2 reasons. For shade, for when I increase my livestock, for shade for the cows, because cows like cool shade. They don't just like open fields. And the next reason is that I want to have at least about a 6-7 foot rope around their necks. So if I want to catch them to give them some medicine, or if they're injured by the bug wires or anything, I can just dress it. So I can just easily wrap the rope around a tree and attend to the cow. It's a lot easier and a lot simpler. Next thing, person said that the rope will unravel if they keep dragging it. What you do is actually, you can hold the end of the rope and just burn it, burn the end. Once you burn the end of the rope, it's not going to unravel. Alright, so this is actually the first pasture. So what we do here is, Christian saying, oh, I don't see any gates for the pastures, the cows can just go to and from. No, this is actually a gate. But how it's closed, it's closed a little bit different from the regular gates. I don't need a swinging gate. What I do is, I fold these bag wires like this, right? And I embed them in the tree. So you can see the tree grows around it, so it will be there for a very long time, right? So What you do is you put 2 or 3 of them. If you look on the mango tree right here as well, you see at least 2, and we can rest one right here. Yes. There's a lot of bamboo. So what we do is just cut 2 bamboos if we don't want to close off this pen and stick it through. And it just be a regular gate and the cows won't pass it. Sheldon, you answer? Catch him? Alright. So Sheldon has catch. Finally catch the cow now.